Okay, so B8. We had a car. Engine is cooled by water. So you have car and water starting off at 35 degrees. And the air temperature is 12 degrees. Now, while the car will, in fact, heat up the air around it, since wind is constantly moving, especially here in town, you're not going to heat up the entire city. So basically, I'm going to cool down to the air temperature. So that means I have a delta T of glad you guys can do that without a calculator. It's very comforting. And then I told you that 24.3 megajoules of heat are given off. So 24.3 megajoules. Joules, of course, is Q, the amount of heat given off, and mega means 10 to the 6. So we want to know how much water is given off. And you're saying, how can I figure out how much water is given off from this? That's weird. Well, the total heat given off was actually being given off by two things. It was the heat of the iron engine, and it was giving off heat of the water in the system. Do I already know the left side? 24 megajoules, so that's exponent 6, is going to be the Q of the iron. Well, I know the Q is equal to MC delta T. What was the mass of the car engine? 250 kilograms. What is C of iron? 450. We just said our delta T was 23. And then we're also going to have the MC delta T of the water. Well, I don't know the mass of the water, but I certainly know that water is 4180, and I know it also cooled down. Yeah, a bonus degree. 23. So then you start saying, hey, I bet I could do some algebra here and figure out the only thing I'm missing. So this is going to be 2, 4, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? Yeah. And then if I have 250 times 450 times 23, I get 2, 5, 8, 7, 5, 0. And if I take 4180 times 23, I get 96140. So to get the 96140 by itself, I have to get rid of this. The opposite of that is that. I think I'm off by it. Anyway. 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that must be how much joules came from the water. Well, I already know the water now is equal to 96140. So to get the by itself, the opposite of multiply is divide. And that gives me 225.842. But if you look back to our original numbers, our delta T only had 2 sig figs, so I'm going to round that up to 230 kilograms. And that's it.